Hi friend, in this video we want to talk about how to get China phone number. Not necessarily only China, you can actually get US, UK phone number and you use it for your verification purpose. Like for instance, if you are doing online businesses like online freelancing and all that, a lot of people don't want to do business with you because you are in Africa and probably most of those countries that they tagged as scammy countries and all that. Like for instance, if you are Nigerian, Cameroon, Ghana and all these countries, people don't want to do business with you. So it's very important for you to get this offshore number and use it for your businesses legally. So for instance, you can just get into your phone portal, get this China number, create a China WhatsApp, create a China1688.com, a ChinaAlibaba.com, a China QQ, a China WeChat, Alipay, and all that. So when you are using your phone number, you can actually do it very easy. So it's an easy process. All you need to do is to get our guide where we'll show you and also give you access to this phone portal where you generate unlimited of this number and you use it for WhatsApp, WeChat, PayPal, any of these websites that require phone verification from China, US, and UK. So let's get into my PC and see practical demonstrations on how we generate these numbers, and I use this to register China, US, UK phone number, not just for myself, also for friends, family member, and some of my clients. Thank you. So this is the phone portal, and this is the list of countries you can get. For instance, you can get India, UK, USA, and all that. So you just scroll any of the countries you want. Let's say for instance now we want to generate phone number for China. Let's say we want to do China China WhatsApp phone number. So for instance now I can decide to click on any of this to generate the number. Maybe for Google I can decide to get China number for WhatsApp. I can decide to get for Fiverr and like that. So it's very simple. You just go to the portal. So it is very simple. You just go to the portal, choose any of the countries, and you look at the app and like that. So this is just one of the interface of the phone portal. We have about 2 or 3 of them that will give to you if you get our guide. Then you just generate these numbers and you use it for any of your applications. So for instance, this is UK and all that. So let me scroll down to see some of the numbers I've used. So for instance, now this is from Lesotho. So I actually used it for some of my customers who need it for WhatsApp. So you can see this is for France. Okay. So you can see this is the code that this is for France. You can see this is the code that was sent. Okay. This code was sent from WhatsApp. So this WhatsApp number is being used, and this is the number from France +33 and all that. So it's very simple. You go to the portal, you generate the number, and you request you generate the number, use it in whatever app you want to use it for. For instance, if you want to use it for 1688 or you want to use it for QQ, they will send the code. You just only need to come here and you just click here on get code. The code will appear here, then you can use it on your phone. It's very, very easy to generate this number and use it for your services legally. It's very easy to use it for your verifications and all that. Thanks for watching this video.